Let's assess our model's lashes first. She has quite long, thick, natural lashes, so it can be difficult to attach them neatly to a flat shield at the start. We'll begin with the glueless method first. After around 70% of the processing time, we'll place the flat shield and start attaching the lashes onto the shield. This is a hybrid method, combining the glueless technique with the standard Korean Lash Lift technique. Her natural lashes are straight and her eyes are slightly hooded. To prevent the lash tips from touching the eyelid, we'll be using a V-curl shield today. The V-curl shield is great for hooded eyes. It creates a strong lift at the base while staying straighter toward the tips, helping prevent lashes from curling back and touching the eyelid. For this lash type, here's the plan. Step 1, around 10 to 11 minutes. Step 2, around 6 minutes. Of course, these are only timing guidelines. We'll keep monitoring as we go, especially during step 1. We'll be using the Alba Re set system today. It's a hybrid of Cysteamine and TGA designed to deliver super gentle, fast, and healthy results lasting up to 8 weeks. Now let's dry check her shield size. Her lashes are quite long, so we tried the biggest size first. Her lashes are reaching around 50% of the shield body, which is ideal. Quick reminder, unlike other shields where lashes should sit around 70%, the V-curl shield is an exception. Lashes should sit around 40 to 50%, and it will still create maximum lifting effect. Since she had a small amount of makeup residue, we're going in with a lash shampoo to ensure the lashes are perfectly clean. We'll wipe off the bubbles with a cotton pad, then rinse using a rinse bottle. Now we'll secure the lower lashes. Try not to place the pad too close to the lash line, and always check with your client to make sure they're comfortable. On top of that, we'll add another eye pad, and this will be used for the glueless method only. Now let's apply step 1, relax cream. If you're starting with the glueless method, you don't need to mix relax with refine because the texture is already thick enough on its own. We love using a long micro brush throughout the Korean Lash Lift treatment. It has a wide brush tip, which saves time, and the soft bristles help prevent unnecessary lash damage. Apply the cream starting from the base while rolling the brush. Apply a thicker layer at the base and a thinner layer from the middle to the tips. You still need to process the entire lash, but avoid applying the cream too close to the lash line. If it sits too close, it can irritate the eyelid, and later, when you apply cling wrap, the product can spread and potentially enter the client's eyes. Now we'll cover the lashes with cling wrap, making sure there are no air pockets. Use the back of the applicator to smooth out any bubbles. We'll leave this on for 7 minutes. After 7 minutes, remove the wrap and wipe off the relax cream. Now we'll add tape to the eyelid. Attach it close to the lash line, then gently lift upward to expose the lash base. The lash line should look like a straight line, and you should be able to clearly see the entire base. Next, apply the flat shield, making sure 1. No lashes are caught underneath. 2. The shield sits as flat and close to the lash line as possible. Now we'll apply relax cream mixed with refine. Relax 80% and refine 20%, starting from the base. Keep rolling the brush tip to apply it evenly, and make sure lashes are attaching properly from base to tip. This is where you can really see how much softening has happened so far and decide how much longer step 1 needs. Right now, it looks like about 70% has been done. Don't rush this part. Work in sections and focus on attaching the base properly. The lashes should look clean and straight with no twisting. To speed up the softening and press the lashes down more firmly, we'll use cling wrap again. We'll leave it for another 4 minutes. Time's up. We will remove the cream. Make sure you use a dry applicator, not a damp one. If you use water, it can make flex check harder. If lashes are 100% ready, there should be no lashes lifting or popping off the shield. They should stay fully attached. If you still see some lashes lifting or popping off, apply Step 1 cream again only to that area and leave it for another 1 to 2 minutes. This step is optional, but it can make the final result as perfect as possible. The lashes look fully softened now, so let's move on to the next step. Now we'll apply Revive Cream over the entire lash. This helps remove leftover Step 1 residue. It also restores the pH balance instantly, pauses the Step 1 processing, and protects the lashes from damage. Now we'll remove the flat shield and tapes. Tip: eyelid taping is important for Step 1, but for Step 2, you usually don't need it. Sometimes taping during Step 2 can weaken the lift. If your client has very hooded or heavy eyelids, you can add tape, but only lightly. Now we'll attach the curl shield we selected at the beginning. Start from the inner corner, then press down the rest following the lash line. Make sure both shields are even and the placement is symmetrical. If you want to keep the shield extra secure, you can anchor it with tape. Now we'll wrap the lashes onto the curl shield. Make sure you isolate each lash with even spacing, keeping them straight from base to tip with no crisscrossing. Take your time and you can add more Revive if you need. Once wrapping is complete, we'll apply Step 2 Reform Cream. Just like Step 1, apply a thicker layer at the base and a thinner layer through the mid-lengths and tips. If you'd like, you can mix Reform with Refine as well, but it's optional. We'll leave Step 2 on for 6 minutes, then wipe it off. Since this model has quite light color lashes, we also added a tint at this stage. Now we're done! Make sure to cleanse the lashes thoroughly while being gentle, so you don't disrupt the new shape you've created. To finish, we'll style using Fix and Finish. The lashes are still settling after the treatment, and this serum helps lock in the curl, keep everything even, and prevent dehydration for the rest of the day. It also looks amazing for the after photo. Let's look at this stunning before and after result.